Hello there, wealth builders. This is your king speaking, and you're watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, let us talk about a topic that is both crucial and unavoidable: preparing for a recession. Wealth builders, economic cycles are unpredictable, and it is essential to be prepared when the tides turn. You're in luck because in this video, we will discuss some effective strategies and provide significant tips that can help you navigate these challenging times with confidence. So, without further ado, join your king and let's get started. Let's start things up with our first way to prepare for a recession: accumulating a financial cushion that can sustain you for 12 to 24 months. Wealth builders, this is like building a financial safety net that can catch you when you fall in times of uncertainty, such as job loss, unexpected expenses, or other financial challenges that might come your way during a recession. Think of it as your emergency fund, a stash of money that can help you keep afloat when the economic waters get rough. To effectively build this cushion, your king wants you to start by keeping a close eye on your spending habits. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate those savings to your financial cushion. Create a budget that prioritizes saving over discretionary spending and stick to it. It might take time and discipline, but remember, having a strong financial foundation is key to weathering any economic storm. Now, for the second way, we have purchasing in bulk and choosing generic brands when they are affordable. This is a savvy strategy that allows you to save money and build up a stockpile of essentials that could come in handy if prices soar during a recession. Just think about it, wealth builders. Having a pantry full of goods that you bought at a lower price means less stress when the economy takes a hit. Plus, you won't have to worry about running out of necessities when you need them the most. And before your king forgets, when you're shopping in bulk, just remember to keep an eye on expiration dates and be mindful of how much storage space you have. And don't be fooled by fancy brand names. Many times, generic brands offer the same quality for a fraction of the cost. If you make these smart choices when you shop, you can stretch your budget further and be better prepared to face financial challenges during a recession. Alright, for our third way to get recession ready, let's talk about turning your clutter into cash by selling your unused belongings. Wealth builders, not only does this give you a chance to make some extra money, but it also helps you clear out space in your home, making it more organized and manageable. You'd be surprised at how much value is just sitting around in your closets and garage, waiting to be turned into cash. When it comes to selling your items, the internet is your friend. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace can connect you with a wide audience of potential buyers. These are great platforms to flip things into cash, and it's been proven and tested by your king. But just make sure to price your items fairly and describe their condition accurately to build trust with buyers. It's a win-win situation. You get rid of stuff you don't need, and you also build a financial cushion for tougher times. For our last way on the list of preparing for a recession, let's talk about being smart with your investments. Wealth builders, when times are tough, some sectors of the economy still hold strong. These are the areas that provide things people always need, no matter what. We're talking about sectors like consumer staples, utilities, and healthcare. Items like food, electricity, and medical care are essentials that people can't go without, even when money is tight. Now, remember, putting all your eggs in one basket is never a good idea. Like your king always says, diversification is key. And don't forget, a financial advisor can be a valuable resource in helping you make the best decisions for your unique situation. So, consider investing in resilient sectors as a strong line of defense against the challenging times a recession can bring. But before I give out some elite tips to weather a recession, first, here's a question for you, wealth builders. What is one financial habit you can start developing today to better prepare for a future recession? Let us know in the comments below. Who knows? Maybe your own financial habit can be beneficial to your fellow wealth builders out there. Alright, let's get back to the video. As I promised, now we will be talking about some tips to weather a recession with confidence. The first tip is all about investing more during a recession. Now, I know that might sound counterintuitive, but hear me out, wealth builders. Recessions often cause the market to dip, which means many assets are available at discounted prices. It's like a big sale on stocks, bonds, and other investments. This presents a unique opportunity to increase your holdings while prices are low. One effective strategy to consider is dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market conditions. By doing so, you can buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. Over time, this can potentially lower your overall investment cost, setting you up for greater returns when the market eventually recovers. It's a simple yet powerful way to take advantage of a recession and come out ahead in the long run. Another tip is all about enhancing your income security. Wealth builders, it's no secret that recessions can make the job market quite uncertain. But there are things you can do to protect yourself and ensure you have a steady income, even in tough times. First and foremost, strive to excel at your job. Being a top performer can make you indispensable to your employer, which could be your safety net in case of layoffs or downsizing. But don't stop there. Consider diversifying your income sources as well. This could mean taking on a side gig, investing in real estate, or even starting your own business. Having multiple streams of income can provide you with financial stability and peace of mind. And finally, never ever stop learning. Picking up new skills or even pursuing a different career path can open up new opportunities and keep you adaptable in a rapidly changing job market. Believe me, it's all about being proactive and positioning yourself for success, no matter what the economy throws your way. Now, for your King's last tip for today's episode, we have stay calm. Recession is temporary. This one is a tip/reminder that even in the midst of financial uncertainty, keeping your cool is key. Let's be straightforward here. It's natural to feel worried or anxious when the economy experiences a slowdown. We're all human after all. But here's the deal. It's also important to maintain a long-term perspective. Recessions are, in the end, a normal part of the economic cycle. They come and go, and recovery is always on the horizon. So, take a deep breath, stay focused on your goals, and remember that this too shall pass. There you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king hopes you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.